The Canadian province of British Columbia provides an interesting idea for a pack that is more temperate in its scope compared to our previous pack. The region's unique combination of mountain ranges, sprawling dense forest and waterways provide an exceptionally pristine environment rich with diverse, interesting candidates. The first candidate is a subspecies of the previously discussed American black bear. The Commodore bear is the official provincial mammal of British Columbia, famous for many individuals pertaining the cream white fur due to a recessive gene. Due to the isolation of this bear from the rest of the black bear populations in North America, this genetic distinction has become a common trait for this particular subspecies, giving it its other common name, the spirit bear. So far, there is only one of these rare bears in captivity. The British Columbia wolf is a subspecies of the grey wolf, but by far one of its most distinguished, noted for its melanistic, almost black fur coat. Like the Commodore bear, this wolf's isolation in the British Columbia province has allowed this genetic trait to become commonplace among the population. This next slot covers the caprid variety that is seen in the mountains of British Columbia. The mountain goat is fairly common in zoos and has appeared in numerous other zoo games as a core animal. It inhabits the major ranges that pass through British Columbia province, such as the Rocky Mountains and Cascade Range, and would be considered a very likely candidate. Alternatively, the Rocky Mountain bighorn sheep lives alongside the mountain goat, but the recent introduction of the Dall sheep in the Arctic pack has caused some overlap. The Roosevelt elk is the largest subspecies of elk in North America, residing in the temperate forest of the Pacific Northwest. This deer is particularly famous because it was one of the animals earmarked by President Theodore Roosevelt in his campaigns of conservation, establishing national parks within its range and reversing decades of overhunting that was threatening the animal. Finally, the Canada lynx can also be considered here as it boasts a sizable population in British Columbia. Its dense silvery brown coat defines itself from the more tawny colours of the Eurasian and Iberian lynxes, making it highly adaptable to the colder regions of the continent to avoid competition with another closely related lynx, the bobcat. Canada lynx really only appear in North American zoos, and their lack of conservation issues makes them ultimately less appealing.